Good morning, Paul Georgie from Allendale. It's July 13th, 2010. The outside markets are going to give us some underlying support here today, I believe. The dollar down about 11 right now, crude up 99. Stock market looks like we're 65 to 70 higher in the index, suggesting a higher opening at the stock market at 8:30 here this morning. Strong earnings numbers coming out this morning is providing that support. And that attitude, I think, will help provide some support in the grain markets. We have corn market called anywhere from 2 to 3 lower, however, because of the good to excellent conditions yesterday reported in by the USDA were 2% higher than what the trade was, or 2% higher than a week ago. Trade was expecting it to be down 1% from a week ago. So we're 73% good to excellent in corn versus a 66% average. The big deliveries we had last night also in corn, 776 contracts stopped by the street, so no strong takers yet in this the corn market. Weather conditions is a battle between those that believe this hot dome is going to move in, provide some extremely hot temperatures here in that 10 to 16 day outlook. If we do get this hot temperature, however, I think it could have a devastating effect on this crop that looks so fantastic right now. So we've got some concern there, and any sell-offs right now should be supported because of this this weather concern, unless the weather forecasters all get in agreement here that this dome is not going to develop. But support today in the December corn, 385 100-day moving average, I think, is critical support. Resistance around the $4 area, and that's going to provide some pretty strong resistance here in the immediate future. In the beans, the good to excellent numbers there came out at 65%. That was a percent lower. So we've got that as a bit supportive. That's why we're calling beans higher here this morning. 3 to 5 higher is the early call, with no deal coming out of China. They're saying that no deal with Argentina is in the making right now on that soybean oil, so that could provide some support here to the soybean complex today. In the wheat, good to excellent in the spring wheat, 83%, about the same as last week. Cooler temperatures in northern Europe, and with some rain mixed in, taking the drought edge off of that area. And also reports out of South Wales that the New South Wales wheat this year in Australia could be a record crop, which yesterday they were concerned about the locust plague in that area. So we'll see. They're basically dormant right now, coming out of that here in a few months. So we've got something to watch there as far as wheat production in the southern hemisphere. Cattle trade looks like we're still offering cattle around the $94 area. Cutout values didn't change very much yesterday, unchanged in the choice, up 49 cents in the select. Futures contracts are still in an uptrending channel. Around that 89.50 area should provide some support with resistance around the 91.50 area initially, then up around $91. So we've got, if we can maintain that uptrend and maintain the support today, we can still look for higher prices in this cattle. In the hogs, the cutout value there was 1 cent higher yesterday. The factor I think that we've got to watch in the hogs is that we've got very tight supplies right now. We've also got this hot weather coming at us that could tighten up our supplies even more in the pork, and get this August contract back on the upswing here. So we look for opportunities to buy that thing somewhere in the right now we're waiting to see if this resistance of $80 can be broken, get back above that. Otherwise, we're going to look to buy it around the $79 area in the August contract. So if anybody's got any questions, give us a call here at Allendale, 800-262-7538. We wish you a successful trading day. We'll talk to you tomorrow morning.